Look what I just received from Prextex. It is this 15-inch plush dinosaur, and it is so soft. And look how cool it looks. It can even sit on its own, just like this, and it also is machine washable too. But that's not the best part. Check this out. If you unzip its pouch right here, there's a surprise. And look at all these cute plush dinosaurs. So you're not just getting one dinosaur, but you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus the 6th dinosaur. And this is great for, in the car ride, if you're going somewhere, because you're able to put it all back in. And perfect to cuddle up with at night or during the day. And isn't this an adorable set? How cool is this? So let me show you a close-up of all you get. Here's a close-up of the Triceratops. And you can see that the fabric is very plush. And this is its mouth. Roar! And this is its zipper pouch. Perfect. And this is what the Spinosaurus looks like. Very cute. And this is what the Kentrosaurus looks like. Very nice. And this is the Brachiosaurus. Roar! And this is what the Triceratops looks like. And this is what the Stegosaurus looks like. So cool. Isn't this a fantastic set? And this is a perfect gift to give all throughout the year. Whether it's a birthday, a holiday, or just because they are going to love it. Great gift to give to your children, your grandchildren, your nieces, your nephews, or even the kid next door. Hours of fun for your little one, ages 3 years old and up. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.